4:45 p.m. this Saturday afternoon, evening, what have you, November 29th, 2025. Yeah, we're getting hit by this stuff, and we've been getting hit all day long. The Juncos apparently don't really mind my presence all that much, or they're just getting used to me. Quite a few of them actually. They're slowly all starting to wander up. I just put some fresh seed out on the packed down snow. Got this one here that's keeping track of me as these ones eat. Yeah, there's trying to keep my movements. Yeah, they're still quite skittish. Trying to keep my movements rather slow, but they're all about me. Yeah, I got one that one came up rather close actually. This one right here. That's I believe the largest one out of the bunch. Muggsy, why don't you go? Oh, poor old kitty cat. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Why don't you go in your shelter? So anyways, I just thought I'd share just a little bit more of this new experience of feeding the birds out here. Winter birds, if you will. Which once again are the Juncos. Only ones showing up right now. And they were quick on the scene, but then they were already present. Whoops. They were already present when I came out here. Now they're but yeah, this snow is steadily falling, and not many cats are coming up, I'm telling you what. And it's cold. And of course, we keep having the sounds of jet aircraft flying overhead. And of course, adding to all of this. Not a theory. I've shown too much of the evidence on this channel. Buddy? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, we're going to go ahead and end this so I can get this little guy in with Mama and Sis. Well, maybe he's going to go ahead and eat a little bit more. Meow. Yeah. Okay, people, so that's going to do it. I'm going to get this kitten taken care of and head on in. So, thank you ever so kindly for watching, and take care, and have yourselves a great one.